We access the global market to find exclusive quality material for our customers. We do the hard work to make fashion and style more accessible. Every creative business needs a perfect partnership. For us, it's partnering with a bank that's as dynamic as our business. Our Absa Evolve account offers free, full digital services of online banking and app. We can bank whenever, wherever, securely with access for both partners.
Global purchases are easy, and we can open and manage any additional accounts for savings or investments as and when required. We've incorporated Cash Flow Manager as part of our Business Evolve account, which helps maintain a view of our daily cash flow, manage payroll, and even our tax requirements.
Move to Absa and open a Business Evolve account online today and get free Cash Flow Manager and integrated accounting tool for your business. We do more so you can. That's Africanacity.